guys, Marianne here with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I think I have the future of automobiles and driving, and it's a 2017 Tesla Model S 90D, and it is finished in a very professional and beautiful white matte metallic wrap. So the original color of this car is white, but we are protecting it with this wrap throughout the car, and I don't know if you can see this in the sunlight right here. It is a white metallic, sort of a diamond pearl wrap, and again that protects the vehicle, and it really sets itself apart when you park next to other Teslas. That's one of the highlights of this car for me, is this exterior color. We do have the premium black leather interior, so it's going to be the black Tesla premium seats, which is actually a $2,500 upgrade inside of these cars. And you see, whenever you touch the door handle, it's already out now because I do have the key in my hands. These door handles come out for you. Whenever the car locks, they go in for you. And these are your carbon fiber, your cameras. There's cameras all over this car. It is such an amazing vehicle, and I really do feel like it's the future of all automobiles. They've done a fantastic job thus far. Even the Tesla emblem here has the carbon fiber appearance to it. It really is phenomenal. And this is the key, which is hilarious because you guys, they actually wrapped the key as well. So I'm gonna open this trunk space in the front. I actually just press the front of the key and it opens the hood for me, and you can see we have ample storage space through the front of the car as well. And the electric motor is going to go for about 294 miles before you have to charge it. It's an extremely silent vehicle. You do not know it's on. You basically sit down when you have the key with you, the car turns on its own. You put it into drive and you press that accelerator and it goes for you. And here with the wheels, we have the 21-inch gray upgraded wheels. That is a $4,500 upgrade in this vehicle. This car has an enormous amount of upgrades within it, and along with brand new tires. So we have 4 brand new tires on this car as well. And I believe there's almost $50,000 in upgrades to this vehicle. So it's not just going to be your base model Tesla. The base model of these cars is $68,000. This car had a vehicle price of $117,200. So an enormous amount of upgrades, including the 90 kilowatt battery, which is a $21,500 upgrade. So it's definitely fully loaded, if you will. And here is the trunk space in the back, which is ample, completely enough trunk. I mean, that's more trunk space than you basically see in any other vehicle. And this car is so compact and so sporty looking. It really is just awesome. It's a great vehicle to drive. And also, if you wanted to open the back of this, you would do the same thing as I did in the front, but in the back of the car, and it would... You even can close it with the key, I think. Oh, it would open it for you. And right here is where you close it. You just push that. I don't think you can do it with the key, but maybe you can. I just... There's a built-in K40 radar detector. Yeah, that was very professional done. Right, but you have the radar detector in both the front and the back of this car. So when you look at the front, you'll see those exact radar detector indicators there. And here's the window sticker that I've been holding in my hands. So you can see this vehicle was manufactured in January of 2017. The standard vehicle price is $68,000. And you can see we have all the enhancements, including the autopilot, which I'm going to take you out on a test drive. A little bit different today, where you can see the autopilot. You've seen the 21-inch gray wheels. Those are awesome. The black Tesla premium seats, the pearl white multi-coat paint. Now, again, that is what is underneath this professional wrap. I'm telling you, the wrap, this matte pearl wrap is absolutely beautiful. And this is the battery that I mentioned. That's $21,500 upgrade. Just such a sick car. They're all wheel drive vehicles. And, you know, you do want to have a 220 charger for this. You can do it. Otherwise, you can have the converter. But the problem with it is it just doesn't charge fast enough. So that would definitely be something you probably... What? Anyway, so I'm going to take it out on a test drive and show you guys how it works. And this is actually where you charge them. So some people don't know where you charge a Tesla because they're so perfect, but this is going to be at right underneath here is where they are charged. Yeah, there you go. So that is your little charging port. Before I take off and start driving the car for you guys, I would like to show you a few features on this 17-inch screen here. You can see we have our controls, your dual climate. This is actually the Autohaus website. I have a split screen going on here, which I can just switch the two just by touching this button right here. And you can see the camera on this car is awesome. So clear, so vibrant. It definitely lets you know exactly what is in your surroundings and within view. You do have the music option, your navigation. I'm gonna just touch on this a little bit. Here's your music. Here's going to be your perfect navigation, which you can also touch the world there, the world's emblem, and you can do your satellite view. And let me see if this is gonna, here we go. Let me get to the calendar you can do as well, just for the Tesla mobile app. This is gonna be your consumption. So your range and how much consumption of the electricity or whatever, you know, the power that you are using is going to be there. Here's the Autohaus Naples website. You guys can see right here, I always say that house is H-A-U-S. So this is our website. Okay, and so you have the camera options, which you can see right here, and then you have your phone options as well. And if you press the Tesla emblem there, it's going to show you, we have the Model S. It is a 90D. And it has 24,906 miles. There's a few things to take note of besides the VIN number. With the 24,906 miles, we are still under a full factory warranty, so you can buy worry-free. And there was a article out recently where somebody has already driven a Tesla at over 250,000 miles. So again, worry-free purchase for sure between the worry-free mileage and the warranty on the vehicle. And here is going to be your cooled seats and your heated seats, or excuse me, backwards, your cooled seats and your heated seats for both you and the passenger as well, with your dual climate zones. This is going to be your volume control and some of your vehicle control. So right now we are in park. It's telling me how to put it into drive. That's one of the things about this car. If you notice, this is a Mercedes basically feature. This is what you see in Mercedes is this and the controls over here for your windows. So they weren't trying to reinvent the wheel at all. Tesla was not. They definitely just utilized what they could. So this is how you put it into drive. I'm gonna put it back into park. Park is just like this. You push right here on the outside, okay? And then to put it into drive, you push down and it goes into drive for you. And I'm gonna see if I can show you some other features here. Okay, there you go. There's your backup camera. So you can see if I turn the wheel, it's going to show you where you're backing up. This is important for a lot of people. And I was going to go back to the controls there and just show you a few other things. Let's open the sunroof. So the sunroof, I have a couple options. You can change it just by doing that. It's opening for us right now. It's going to open only 75%. So as much or as little as you want. It is a panoramic roof. Or you can actually change the sunroof by here. All I did was press down on this, and now it is closing for us. And I could have pressed at any time the button stop or the word stop, and it would have done that for you. Your suspension, right now we're on standard. We have all the options for your suspension. Your driving mode, of course, you have your standard, your chill, sport. Come on guys, we know what Marianne's gonna drive in. And here's your trip options, your display, so we can brighten it up or turn it down. You know, automatically is good because during the day or night it will change for you. And of course you have your energy savings as well. So I'm going to put us back into drive and get us out on the road. I did mention that we're going to do a autopilot video, so I'm going to do that for you guys as well today, and then just our usual test drive. So you know, I always say, like, this is the future of driving. It's so quiet. It's basically like you can't even tell that you're in a vehicle. You have your Alcantara interior, by the way, your headliner in the interior, and once again the carbon. I love this carbon fiber look. And here's also your Alcantara as well. It is a one-owner car, as I mentioned. We have the books, warranty, the K40, which is going to be your radar detector. There's the remote for it. It's very professionally done. Obviously you saw it. It almost looks like front and back cameras. It blends in very well with the vehicle. It's definitely, that's an advantage and certainly an upgrade to this car. And once again, you know, I don't know why anybody is going slow in the left-hand lane with these cars, because they drive themselves. So I think it would keep up with traffic and with the speed limit. So I'm going to do a little acceleration run, but maybe a little bit more later whenever I show you guys the autopilot. I'll add a little bit for you. Right? Oh my gosh. Feels like I'm in a simulator.
Yeah.
Is that what it, like, to you? That's what it feels like. I'm in a simulator, and it literally, like, pushes my whole body back when I just floor it.
2.8 seconds, huh? From 0 to 60?
It's 0 to 60, yeah, in 2.8 seconds. And I believe it has 532 horsepower.
Yeah.
Something like that. So, so quick. I wish you guys could feel the... Literally.
It's like on a roller coaster.
Yeah, it is. That's what I, like... Yeah,
That's
I was thinking
later.
a simulated roller coaster,
Yeah.
like the ones you sit in and you're not really doing much, but it looks like you are. That's exactly what it feels like. So, look, 239-263-8500 is our website. It was our phone number, excuse me. I was looking down at the website as I said that. That's exactly what I get. 239-263-8500 is our phone number. This is our website. It is here on this 17-inch display, and it's autohausnaples.com. House is H-A-U-S, and again, the phone number, 239-263-8500. It is located right there for you. Oops, I touched the screen. I apologize. Any questions, give us a call, and I will see you guys on the next one. Right now I'm working with the autopilot on, and you can see here that the car is driving itself hands-free. My feet are free from the accelerator and the brake, and it's completely doing it all by itself. I do have to sometimes put my hands on the wheel so it doesn't stop for me, because it wants you to stay alert. See, it's telling me to hold the steering wheel. One finger on the wheel, and this is just so the car knows that I'm alert and awake. And you can see it is completely driving itself. It's going to stay up with the traffic, and then whenever they brake in front of me, the car is going to brake on its own. And you'll notice that my foot is not on the brake or the accelerator. It is asking me to hold the steering wheel. And that's just so, again, it knows that I am alert and awake but the car is still completely driving itself, doing this by itself. You can see that if you watch the mile per hour, and it's accelerating and decelerating back and forth according to the car which is in front of me. And you will see in just a few moments, these cars will be stopping in front of me. I will not be steering. I will not be braking, nothing. The car is going to stop, as you can see, right now, in front of me. And then when they start to go again, which will be just a moment, the car will accelerate once again with the traffic.
Just gotta have faith in technology, huh?
Yeah, it's all about that technology. I swear, this is like the future of driving. So once again, no hands, no foot on the accelerator, and the car is just taking me where I need to go.
The only thing it doesn't see is stoplights and stop signs.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not
yeah.
yet. Yeah, I think that we will get there.
Yep.
So, oh, telling me to hold the steering wheel. Awesome. So again, this is the autopilot mode of the Tesla.